Burn fat like never before, unlock your body's highest energy potential through hyperketosis. In a world saturated with short-term diet fads, the ketogenic lifestyle continues to stand out for its ability to reprogram metabolism. But what if there was a way to take it further? Hyperketosis isn't just about going low carb, it's about training your body to thrive in a state of deep, sustained fat burning. Ketosis occurs when carbohydrate intake is low enough for the body to start producing ketones from fat, which then become the primary energy source. This metabolic state has been associated with reduced hunger, stabilized blood sugar, improved cognitive function, and efficient fat loss. However, hyperketosis refers to a heightened level of ketone production, typically above 1.5 mmol/L in blood ketone measurements, where the body becomes exceptionally efficient at burning fat and generating energy. It requires discipline, strategy, and consistency, but the results can be profound. To enter and sustain hyperketosis, your diet must be meticulously designed. The foundation lies in reducing net carbs to fewer than 20 grams per day. Focus on high-quality fats such as avocado oil, olive oil, grass-fed butter, and fatty fish. Protein should be moderate. Too much can convert to glucose through gluconeogenesis and disrupt ketone levels. Ideal sources include eggs, poultry, and collagen-rich bone broth. Micronutrient support is equally crucial. Electrolyte imbalances are common during deep ketosis. Regular intake of magnesium, potassium, and sodium can prevent fatigue and muscle cramps. Hydration is non-negotiable, as ketones are excreted through urine, which increases water loss. Timing your meals can also enhance ketone production. Intermittent fasting, particularly the 18-6 or 20-4 protocols, encourages the body to remain in a fat-burning mode for longer periods. Combining this with high-intensity interval training or fasted cardio can elevate ketone levels further. Supplements such as exogenous ketones or medium-chain triglyceride (MCT) oil can be used strategically to boost blood ketone levels and bridge the gap during the adaptation phase. However, these should complement, not replace, nutritional strategies. Hyperketosis isn't just a metabolic state, it's a mindset. It demands intentional living and awareness of every bite, every fast, and every workout. Yet, for those who commit, it offers unmatched fat loss and sustained energy that conventional diets fail to provide. Are you ready to push the limits of fat burning and experience what hyperketosis can do for your body?